front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Start by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now you can either use this top section in order to take a photo within Messages app and send it instantly, or you can pick any photo from your smartphone by clicking on it here. If you can't find your photo, you need to scroll down and use Photos or Collections sections to find it. Then click on it, or few of them, and after making sure all of your photos were successfully selected, hit Done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!